Everyone uses ChatGPT, but almost nobody uses it correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. No vague advice. No work hard and success will come. Concrete steps. And the best part, you can start this today. But pay attention. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building a system that works for you. And that takes time, but less than you think. Hey, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Viral King, and on this channel I share honest strategies on how to make money online with AI and smart systems. Today we're going to talk about how AI tools can help you build an online income, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which AI tools give the most value, how to use them, and what realistic expectations look like. But first, if you value this kind of content, hit subscribe. It helps the channel massively and you won't miss a thing. Let's get into it. Let's start with the truth. There are a lot of people promising you'll get rich overnight with AI. That's nonsense. But here's what is true. AI lowers the barrier to starting an online business dramatically. What used to take weeks now takes days. What used to cost thousands in staff now costs a few bucks a month in tools. The 3 ways people are actually making money with AI right now. 1. Creating and selling digital products, planners, templates, ebooks. 2. AI-powered content creation, YouTube, blogs, social media. 3. Using AI tools to deliver services faster, copywriting, design, code. I'm going to cover all 3. But first, remember this, it's about systems, not hacks. Alright, let's get specific. These are the tools I use every single day. Tool 1, Claude/ChatGPT for content, not for write me a blog post, but for systems. I've built prompts that consistently deliver the same quality output. The difference is in the prompt engineering. Tool 2, 11 Labs for voiceovers for YouTube, podcasts, digital products. A voice that sounds human for a fraction of the cost of a voiceover artist. Tool 3, Canva AI plus Dolly for visuals, thumbnails, social media posts, product covers. This saved me hours every week. Tool 4, automation through scripts. This is the secret ingredient, not the tools themselves, but making them work together. Now the system. This is what I would do if I started from scratch. Week 1, pick one niche. Not 2, not 5. What? My recommendation, digital products in a niche you're interested in. Week 2, create your first 10 products with AI. Use Claude to generate content, Canva for design, Payhip or Gumroad to sell. Total cost, $0. Week 3, start marketing. Pinterest is the #1 driver for digital product sales. Make 10 pins per day, automated. This takes 30 minutes to set up, then nothing. Week 4-8, iterate on what works. Look at your data. Which products sell? Make more of those. Which channels drive traffic? Double down on those. After 60 days, you have a system, not a Lamborghini, but a real start. Alright, let's recap what we covered today. 1. AI lowers the barrier to starting an online business, but there's no magic solution. 2. Digital products plus automation is the most scalable combination for beginners. 3. Focus on systems, not hacks, and pick one niche until you see results. If you want to set up the system yourself, I've made a free checklist with exactly which tools you need and how to get started. Link in the description. And if you have questions about your specific situation, drop them in the comments. I try to answer every single one. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this video valuable, a like goes a long way in helping more people discover this who need it. See you in the next one. Why 99% of people use AI wrong and how you can do it right. In this video I share exactly how I use AI to build online income streams. No hype, no false promises, just what actually works in 2025. Timestamps 000. Hook. Why most people get this wrong. 045. Intro 200. The reality of AI and making money. 500. The exact tools I use. 900. The step-by-step system. 1300. Summary plus next steps. Links. Free AI starter checklist. Link Gumroad shop digital products. Link follow me. Instagram. @ViralKing. TikTok. @ViralKing. #AMAPenny. #online business. #passive income. #ChatGPT. #entrepreneur. Option 1. $1,000/month with AI. Option 2. How I make money with AI. Option 3. AI equals money. Honest truth.